Good evening, everyone. Hope all of you are well and safe at home. I welcome you to PB Quorum Live and Me Safe presents Back in Business, the Salon Walk Around. मैं हूँ कनिष्का, Professional Beauty India की editor, and we have been taking you on virtual tours of various salons that have opened up after the lockdown. तो अगर आप हमारे साथ इस पूरे हफ्ते बने रहे हैं तो आपने देखा होगा किस तरह से सैलॉन्स दुबई में, गुड़गांव में, श्रीलंका में, बैंगलोर में ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं और कौन से सेफ्टी मेजर्स फॉलो कर रहे हैं. और अगर आपने ये सारे वर्चुअल टूर्स मिस कर दिए हैं देन जस्ट फॉलो अस ऑन आवर सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स ऑन Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, and you will get to see these videos once again. For a written report, please visit our website professionalbeauty.in. यहाँ पर आपको सिर्फ ये रिपोर्ट्स ही नहीं मिलेंगे, हमारे सारे सेशंस के बारे में जानकारी भी मिलेगी, आने वाले सेशंस के लिए भी आपको सारी डिटेल्स मिलेगी और मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली सारे सेफ्टी मेजर्स जो BWSSC ने इशू किए हैं, जो स्टेट्स ने इशू किए हैं और जो सैलॉन्स फॉलो कर रहे हैं, ये सब भी आपको हमारे वेबसाइट पर मिलेंगे. तो प्लीज़ विज़िट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट professionalbeauty.in और वहाँ पे जो भी हमने इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके लिए वहाँ रखी है उसे प्लीज़ पढ़ें और उसका यूज़ करें जब आप अपना सैलून दोबारा से शुरू करेंगे. Now, since lockdown has been rolled back in many cities across India and the governments have given permission for the salons to reopen, we have found that salons are doing really well. They are able to build that customer's confidence back, win the customer back, and make a good number of footfall. And and they are also successfully able to implement all the guidelines that have been put in place for them. All this is possible because of the very important factor of your staff. If your staff is well trained and if they are well equipped to handle the situation, I'm sure आपका salon दोबारा successfully start हो जाएगा. और आपके staff को सबसे safe रखता है Me Safe. Me Safe ने ऐसे kits बनाए हैं, disposable kits, जो आप हर सर्विस में यूज़ कर सकते हैं और सर्विस के बाद डिस्पोज कर सकते हैं. ये बहुत ही ईजी टू यूज़ सिंपल किट्स हैं. सो आई सजेस्ट यू गिव इट अ शॉट. इट्स नो सोर्सिंग हैसल. आपको यहाँ वहाँ भटकने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मी सोर्स के पास, अपनी सेफ के पास वो सारे किट्स मौजूद हैं जो आपको अपने सैलून में ज़रूरी होंगे. आज हम आपको इस सेशन में ले जा रहे हैं बेंगलोर में लैक्मे सैलून का वर्चुअल टूर कराने, और हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाली हैं श्रुति कोहली जी जो वहाँ का सैलून मैनेज कर रही हैं. वो हमें दिखाएंगी कि वो लोग किस तरह से वहाँ पर पोस्ट लॉकडाउन बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, किस तरह से सारे मेजर्स इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं और अपने क्लाइंट्स का ख्याल रख रहे हैं. सो प्लीज़ हमारे साथ बने रहिए. मैं अभी श्रुति कोहली जी को इस कॉन्वर्जेशन में ऐड करूँगी. इस लाइव सेशन में वो आएंगी और हमें अपने सैलून के अंदर ले चलेंगे. आपके मन में अगर कोई भी सवाल है, if you have any questions for Shruti about Lakme Salon, about the way they are operating their salons, please leave those questions in our comment section. Hi Shruti.
Hi Kanishka, how are you doing?
I am good, dear. How are you?
How are you doing? Hope you are safe and all are safe around you.
Yes, I am, and I can see that you are very happy to be back.
Yes, very much. Yes.
Great, fantastic.
Yeah.
So we are very eager to have a look into your salon and to see what all you are doing there, what all measures you have put in place.
Yeah, definitely. So before getting into the salon, let me prep myself.
Yes, yeah. Absolutely. So mask is a must-have. Nobody will be allowed inside the salon
100%.
without a mask. Yes, be it your staff or your client,
yeah.
A mask is a must.
Correct. So as it's a government rule also, and the thing also, I think everyone has to follow this.
Absolutely.
Yes. Okay.
It's totally non-negotiable. So are you taking me to the main entrance?
Yes, I'm going to take you to the main entrance. So how is going to be the customer journey, how we welcome our customers, what are the safety guidelines we are taken, that I'm going to explain in some little in detail. And also I'm very excited to take you salon through because in this lockdown period, we have taken so many SOPs changed. So in that few of them, quickly, I'm going to help you that, how we have done the changes in the salon and how it has been actually appreciated by our customers. Yeah.
Great. Fantastic. Yeah. We're looking forward to it.
Sure.
Yes.
So this is our entrance, Kanishka. So you can see here, we already put a board that please sanitize your hand.
Okay.
This is a paddle stand also.
Okay. Right.
So once we enter, we have this, guidelines written on the floor also. That here we do a temperature check of a customer. So if you see in a close thing, as we promise our customers also, Your safety is
Yeah.
our first priority. Your beauty is a close second. So whatever we are promising as in creative, that we are actually, adhering to it at the salon level. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, these are my managers. Hi, girls. Yes.
Hi.
Kanishka, you can see us. So we have also maintained a social distancing. That is, and
Okay.
there's a 3 feet gap from the reception and the area. So
Right.
customer, whoever comes, we ask him to please stand on this area. So actually, we are maintaining a little distance on that. So
Okay.
we are encouraging all our customers to book through web appointment and in salon calls. So when they
Okay.
normally book appointment, they will keep getting a message on their mobile. So there's a self declaration what customers have to give in. So
Okay.
once this has been done, so we also adhering on government rules saying that, please check for the Arogya Setu app. So this is definitely helping us to check whether customers are coming from the safe zone.
Right.
So
So you're
this,
not taking any walk-ins.
so walk-in preferably not, Kanishka, as when we don't have any clients in the salon, so definitely we are entertaining on that period. So when we have
Yeah.
pre-booked appointments, when we have, that 50% whatever guidelines we have maintained in the salon, that point of time we are avoiding. So we take a
Okay.
number of the customer and we reschedule their appointments according to the
Right.
appointments.
Shruti, can you tell me where exactly is the salon located?
Kanishka, this is Lakme Whitefield Salon.
Okay.
It's in the Whitefield area.
It's not in a mall. It's a standalone place.
It's a standalone, yes.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Great.
Also would like to highlight this. So when we tell our customers to do all this, giving a declaration, checking for the Arogya Setu app and the temperature check, we also
Yeah.
follow this with guidelines with our own experts also and all the employees. So
Okay.
all the employees of us, they're supposed to give a declaration every day and which is also monitored. And
Okay.
temperature check, yes, it is a must and should guidelines which we are following it. So these are the minimum procedures in the front as we are following. So each and every customer are safe with this. So we're ensuring our experts are also safe. Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Let me take you quick through with our expert.
Yeah.
So, hi Anjum. Yeah.
Hi.
So,
So they are wearing a face shield.
yes, they are wearing a face shield, the head cap, face mask, and the gloves with the disposable aprons. So these are the
Okay.
kit every day they have to change, and this
Okay.
has been changed for each and every customer. So once the customer has been taken, so once the service has been done, they're going to discard the disposable things. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
also, if I have to show you my hair section, so
Yeah.
this is consisting of 8 chairs, Kanishka, right now. So, but
Okay.
as per the guidelines, the government guidelines, we have minimized the space also workstation. So you can see 2 chairs we already taken off. There's a 6
Yeah.
feet of distancing, which is maintaining.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. This is
So the
also on
middle
the
chairs have been pulled off.
exactly, yes. And if you see the other end, it's the same thing. So we have taken
Yeah.
off the 2 chairs. The enough space is there. That's more than 6 feet what we have maintained.
Okay.
So all my experts are ready and geared up here. Okay. And I would like to tell you also, Kanishka, so with all this lockdown period, so we were revising our SOPs also, how to come up with this
Yes.
COVID-19 pandemic also. So we have
Yes.
quickly want to tell you about how a threading technique, how we have utilized this, what are the dispenser we are utilizing. So
Okay.
on the minimal thing we have been taking care of this. I would like to show you this. Yeah.
Sure.
So this is how, Kanishka, the customer comes. The chair will be disinfected
Okay.
in front of the customer. Once disinfect is done, so the sanitizer before the services, after the services is being used.
Right.
Yeah. If you see the thread thing, it is kept in the dispenser here. So there's a minimal touch for the thread there. So how much ever required, that thread will be pulled out from the dispenser. So,
Okay.
and also we have, worked on the new technique in the lockdown period also with a lots of training.
Yeah.
It's a new technique which is tying on the neck and there is no close contact, removing of the mask or maybe using a mouth to do the services.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are the things we are using as an SOP. So we are cleaning customer with, with a proper disinfectant also. So there
Yeah.
is no any infection there. So as you can see, this is a hair section area. This is hair wash. So as per the norms,
Yeah.
again, we are
Yeah.
following very strictly on the government guidelines. And also in Whitefield Salon, we have this VIP rooms also. If customers are little pandemic about the situation, we are taking in the VIP rooms also. So where there is certain services are taken care.
So both your backwash are operational, or only one is?
One is operational, one is we have sealed it. So this is one we are using. The other one is going to be in the VIP room.
Okay.
Yeah. And also, if you see, we have all these boxes done here. This is all disposable towels, cutting capes, disposable aprons and all. And also see, all our tools are disinfected, sterilized, and kept it in a sterilization. And afterwards, we are repacking it this monodose kits. So we are also giving that good effect to the customer, feeling that we are safe at the Lakme Salon.
Yeah.
So this is the regular basis we are doing it.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Let me take you through our pedicure section. So in all the corners, you can see our girls are ready for to serve the clients.
Yes.
Okay. Here it is again a section of 4, but right now, again following the guidelines, we have taken 2 of them. So only 2 are operational with a minimum of 10 feet difference there.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Here comes the things. So we also maintaining this monodose kits for pedicures and all other services like facials and all. If you see, we have done this monokit kit. So the customer will be use this kit for at a time, and after using, we are gonna discard this.
Okay.
And if you see our pedicure monodose kits, so we have this tools in our salon. So we have around 10-15 boxes, which consist all the tools. So again, these tools will be disinfected with all the process, what we are supposed to follow. Then sterilized in the sterilizer machine, and then it will go back to in the sealed pack. So our customer have really liked this concept, and they have given a really good feedbacks about it. So far we have got really good feedback.
Great. So you're taking care that everything that can be disposed is in monokits, and what can be sterilized has their own boxes to be put in after the sterilization is done.
Yes, Kanishka, right.
Great, great. Now, can we see your skin section?
Definitely, yeah. Yeah. This is a skin section. Okay. So here again, the safety norm says, so we have following all these 55 initiatives consulted with the doctor. So that we have put up in all the salons also, which we are actually following in all the salons. As a Lakme brand, we promise to customers to give a proper, at most hygiene services.
Right.
So if you see, the most of the customers, we are asking them to go for a cartridge waxes. That's how the hygiene has been followed. The customers who are actually not willing to go for cartridge waxes, we have this one dip technique also. So customer will be, taken that tip, one dip, apply, and that will be discarded.
Yep.
So again, if you see here, we have a facial kit, which is a monodose kit. So there is no touch at all. So, one customer, whenever they want to go for any services, this will be packed, used, and discarded. So, and which is all other items here, like maybe a waxing bowl or a facial bowls and all, which has been clean wrap. So there is no exposure in the out surface.
Right.
So it is clean and clean wrap.
And they are opened in front of the client when they come.
Exactly. I'll tell you this also. When the customer comes, we will be disinfecting this bed in front of the customer with a proper solution. And in front of the customer, we're gonna bedspread. We put a thing, and we have this kit ready with this. So this is one customer, one kit. So in this, we have all the disposables. We have all the necessity things like headbands, their face mask, everything is being kept here. So this is used for only one client.
Right. This is a great idea, and I think it builds a lot of confidence in the customer that you are doing things the right way.
Yes, exactly. Absolutely. Yeah, I was also adding to this. I was telling that, in the rooms, we are also maintaining a boxes where customer will be used the waxing strips, spatulas also kept in a sealed bag, how much ever quantity is required for a per client. So again, the exposure is less for other client to touch and, disinfect it back.
Right. Especially in waxing, there can't be any cutting of corners. You have to be very, very careful with it.
Exactly.
Can I see your VIP room now?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. And I must say the salon is spotlessly clean. It's very well maintained.
Yes, Kanishka. Yes, thank you. Kanishka, we have a client at the room right now.
Oh, okay. No worries, no worries. So
Yeah,
let's have
sorry.
our chat in the meantime, Shruti.
Sure.
Can you find yourself a good seat, a comfortable place to sit in, and we'll have a nice chat.
Sure. Give me a moment.
Yeah.
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 Great. So, Shruti, tell me, how long has it been that the salon is open?
We are operational as per the guidelines. From May 18th, we are open. So from that period, we
Okay.
started the operationals. Yeah.
Okay. And on an average, how many appointments are you taking every day?
Kanishka, we again repeatedly telling we are following the government guidelines. So we are
Yeah.
taking appointments only on the appointment dates, that is web booking and in-salon calls. So
Yeah.
we have that 50% workforce at the salon right now. So depending on that, we are keeping 15 minutes buffered also. So we
Yeah.
have that process to be re-clean, resurface everything, disinfectant. So we have enough of time, ample of time to serve our next customer.
Right. So, on an average, then, how many services per day does it count to?
If I'm operating from morning 10 to 7, so again,
Yeah.
minimum time spent is around approximate 1 hour to the customer. So that's how
Yeah.
we are managing. And also in
Okay.
between, we will be requiring few hours to deep clean the salon. So that we are doing every 3 hourly basis. So that is
Okay.
going to help us. Yeah.
Right. So, now that you're operating with 50% of the staff, are you following a roster? Are they working in shifts?
Yes, definitely. We are following the rosters also. So we have a billing software. So again, the rostering will be a help to us. So that will
Yeah.
help us to do a web booking also. So in this
Okay.
lockdown period, we have lot many inquiries also. We are calling back to the customers, scheduling, giving them appointments as a roster. So
Okay.
50% workforce, that rostering is being maintained.
Great. Have you noticed any change in the customer's behavior? Of course, there is a lot of change, but what is it specifically about salons that their behavior has changed?
You're talking with the customer?
Yeah, the customer.
Yeah, customer, little they were apprehensive, but once they started visiting the salon, they have been very appreciative of all the safety measures what we are taking. In fact, we have received great comments and testimonials also, which we've been
Okay.
taking constantly, sharing on social media pages, and also generated has a good the new customers also for us. That is again, I would say, a word of mouth, which has
Yeah.
helped us get a new customer to the salon.
So you feel that since reopening after the lockdown, a lot of new customers have decided to try Lakme Salon.
Yeah, definitely they would like to try first after looking at all the safety measures, all the
Yeah.
initiative what we have taken, that 55 initiatives. So they
Yeah.
are really impressed, and they're definitely asking their friends and family to visit the salon. So that's how we
Did you
have.
see? Did you see more male clients coming in initially?
Male clients, yes, in my unisex salons, I would see male clients are more because they are
Okay.
basically coming for the haircut and the grooming standards what they want to follow. So that has been,
Yeah.
I could see that.
Right. But right now, it's like a mixed crowd. You're getting same number
Yes,
of male and women. Okay.
exactly. Yeah.
And are they very comfortable in following all the rules?
Most of them are. In fact, people who are needed little handhold also, and also we are guiding them saying that these are the norms. This is for your safety and also for our employee safety. So
Yeah.
clients are very happy to follow that. In fact, I would request all my clients to ask for all these things. If you feel anything in the salon is not happening, please ask for the sanitization. Please help it if by chance we miss it. So there
Yeah.
is 99.9% we won't be doing that for sure, because this is what we have promised our customers also. So that we will
Right.
be following. Yeah.
Right. And you are also very strict about the appointments of people coming from the containment zones. You will not be
Yeah,
taking them.
we are checking Arogya Setu app. That's how it will get to know that customer are from the safe zone. So
Yeah.
we are taking that extra precautionary measures. So we are ensuring when we booking an appointment and the call the through also, we are telling the customers to please download the Arogya Setu app. So that's how once customer comes, all the screening, Arogya Setu and the declaration has been taken.
Great. What is the average time that a customer is spending inside the salon now?
Kanishka, majorly we are booking with appointments based only. So if customers are
Yeah.
booking, approximately they are spending around 60 to 90 minutes at the salon.
Okay.
Yeah,
But
depending on the services again.
yeah, like how it used to be earlier when they would go from one service to another, that is not happening now. They will
No,
just
I
finish
would
their
say the
service and go.
customers are happily taking more services right now. because
Okay.
customers are much feeling comfortable. Maybe first initially we had that walk-in thing. Now customers are comfortable looking at all the precautions what they've taken at the salon level, so they're
Yeah.
happy. In fact, they are
Great.
in fact happy to take many more services.
Great. What about in salon retail? Has there been a hike in that?
In salon, yes, our consultations are happening, and we sell all the professional products. So also in the
Yeah.
during lockdown period, we were in constantly touch with the customers. That's how we understood that customers are required the products. So we came up with the Lakme a web sale also. So that's we were
Okay.
used to do a home delivery to the customers, and also
Okay.
definitely now all the salons are open. We request all the customers to please come and have a consultation and get the right products for you all.
That's great. It's a very good way of staying in touch with them by asking them what products they want and helping them out with
Exactly.
those
Yeah.
products. Right. So it was very evident from this tour that you gave us that you are very well maintaining social distancing. But before the customer steps into the salon, do you give them any guidelines about social distancing? Where, like when they come in the salon, they have to maintain certain distance from the therapist or the hairdresser. Do you inform them of this
Uh,
beforehand?
Yeah, before exactly. So while taking appointments, still we tell them we have minimum appointments what we are taking, and also you
Yeah.
could see that in a salon we have kept a distance also. So
Yeah.
the extra chairs are not allowed, and also we ask the customer not to accommodate any extra person to the salon. So especially if kids and the older persons. So that's how
Yeah.
it is affecting us, and customers happily agreeing with all those things.
Right. And I'm also did not see any waiting area. So is that consciously you have not kept a waiting area?
So
So there's
we
no
have a
crowding?
waiting area, Kanishka, but I
Yeah.
think when we are working on the appointment base, we could not get any certain waiting thing there. The customers are
Yeah.
coming in all the time, and we are taking customer serving. So we're keeping 5-10 months buffer at the period. So there
Yeah.
is no waiting for the customers to happen.
That's great. And that will all is an effective way of avoiding crowding inside the salon also.
Exactly. Exactly.
Right.
Yeah.
How much do you think the customer is spending on an average in the salon now?
I would say approximately, customers are the spending average has gone high. It's not like,
Okay.
what they used to spend earlier. Definitely, I could see a good changes in the spending.
Okay. So
Yeah.
they don't mind spending more as long as they are getting the services in a safe manner.
No, no, no. They are in fact very happy with looking at all the things. Customer who came for one services, they are upgrading the service for two or more, looking at the safety
Okay.
precautions what we are maintained at the salon level.
Right. Did you notice customers asking more for longer lasting treatments like keratin? Has there been a trend like
Yes,
that?
definitely. Yeah, customers would like to go for keratin treatment, sustained POD treatment. That what we have it in a
Yeah.
salon right now. So
Yeah.
customers are opting. Just before we started a call, we had one or two clients who were opting for cysteine treatment. So yes, definitely everybody wants to look good at home. Work from home is
Yeah.
there, and everybody wants to look good at even by at the work from home also.
Absolutely. So during the lockdown, when you were preparing for the salons to open, you were training your staff and you were putting your new SOPs in place.
Mm-hmm.
And when the salon opened and you started implementing everything, did you face any challenge there in implementing everything that you had
Absolutely
thought?
not, Kanishka, because in
Okay.
the during the 2 months of lockdown period, we were improving our expertise skills. So we were having this continuous calls, and we were enhancing our SOPs also. There were so
Okay.
many things like in fact, 5,000 expert they have invested the 5 lakh hours of training what we have covered in this 2 months of period. So we
Okay.
knew this in this COVID thing that initiating this 55 steps definitely they would require a rigorous training on that. So that we
Yeah.
have taken care very well. And also it's not that once at the start, also once the salons operate, we have our own committees, calls, mock calls happen. So just to ensure that we are delivering a proper services, all the SOPs are followed at the time. And not only initial stage, now even now every time we have an auditor also. So they randomly
Okay.
call, video call through, they're checking everything. So that rigorous follow-ups, everything is happening right now. So there
That's
is no
great.
any.
That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about the local authorities? Are they paying you a visit, making inspections or anything?
Yes, I think few of my couple of salons, they were a BBMP people who have visited. Yes, definitely they were happy
Okay.
with all the process what we have done it. In fact, they were in fact happy with what all the government has asked to do that. So all were
Yeah.
there on right top on the north priority. So in fact, they
Okay.
were very happy. They In fact, they said they want to suggest family and friends to visit a salon. That's a great deal for us.
Yes, that is indeed very encouraging.
Yeah.
One last thing that I would like to know from you, now that almost all the cities across India have opened up the salons and have rolled back lockdown, there are still a lot more cities that are under lockdown and they are preparing. So, what advice would you like to give to them? Shruti, did you get my question? What advice would you like to give to salons that are not yet open?
So definitely customers are going to come back, and win-win situation it is. I know this is a new normal thing which we have.
Because of network, I think we lost you.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just giving this advice to all the
Yes.
people who have not opened the salons right now.
Yeah.
Don't get panic about things
Yeah.
about the situation, as all are following, you're following, I am following, and all my customers are happy to follow that. Just let's follow all the initiative what the guidelines have given. So definitely we're gonna be get back to the normal situation as soon as possible.
Right. Following the guidelines is your guru mantra right now. There is no escaping it, and that's the way
Yes.
forward. Shruti, there are a couple of questions that have come up from the audience. I'll quickly take them for you.
Okay.
For clients, are you offering gloves and masks?
We are
Yogesh would like to know.
okay. Customer, yes, definitely who are not wearing the mask, we are providing them a mask to the
Okay.
entrance. Without the mask, we are not entertaining any of the customers. So that is
Right.
priority for us. And yes, if customers are coming, they require the gloves also we are providing. And we also giving the aprons to wear for the customers.
Okay. So
Yeah.
disposable masks, gloves, and aprons will be provided
Yeah.
if required.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, and
Yeah, definitely mask is compulsory. If required or not required, we are providing mask for the customer. Apron and
right.
mask.
So mask will be provided irrespective of the situation because it is mandatory. If the customer is not wearing their own mask, then the salon will provide it, and gloves and aprons will be provided as required. Shruti, are you accepting Paytm?
Yes, right now we are encouraging all digital payments. We are accepting Paytm. We are accepting all the UPI payments. Uh,
Okay,
we are not encouraging most of the cash payments. So all
right.
customers also understood this is much more safer than accepting any cash. So all are happy to follow that.
Right. So thank you so much for taking us around your salon and answering all our questions. It was lovely interacting with you, and all the best for your salon going
Thank you
forward.
so much. Same here. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.